Hi everyone, welcome to Gabi's Kitchen. Last week I uploaded chicken skewer on the Instagram. Many of you wanted me to share the recipe, so I'm going to make chicken skewer. It's pretty simple and easy to make, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to cut the green onions. I'm going to use the white part only and chop them in about 2 inches long. And keep them aside. They were saying that Koreans use scissors to cook. So I'm going to show you how we use scissors to cook. I have about 400 grams of chicken thigh. I use chicken thigh because they tend to be more moisture than the chicken breast. But if you prefer to use chicken breast, feel free to use it. I'm going to take out the bones from the chicken thigh. Just cut alongside the bone. Cut them through and find the bone, and then cut it alongside the bone. It's pretty easy, isn't it? So cut the chickens about this size. Not too small, not too big. Does it look easier than knives? Alright then, put them in a bowl. Make sure you wash the cutting board and scissors or knife, whatever you used, right after you touch the chicken, because it has bacteria in it. The bacteria in the chicken can be harmful for our body. And then I'm going to season the chickens with salt and pepper. Be generous with the salt. And some peppers. And give them a little massage. You know the chickens love getting massage. Keep them aside. Wash your hands. Let the chickens sit about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we can make the sauce. I'm going to make teriyaki sauce today. 5 tablespoons of soy sauce on a saucepan. And 2 tablespoons of mirin. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of Korean cooking syrup. You can use honey or sugar. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to boil it over medium heat. Give them a little stir. Give them a stir and bring it up to a boil. When it starts to boil, bring it down the heat to a medium low and keep on boiling it. If the sauce became thicker like this, you can turn off the heat and keep the saucepan aside. And then we are going to make chicken skewer. Get a skewer stick. I'm gonna make a pattern: chicken, green onion, chicken, green onion, chicken, green onion. Then leave some space and green onion. Then the chicken. And green onion. Then another chicken. And green onion. And chicken. I'm finishing with the garlic on the top. because I love. So I made 5. I'm going to fry the chicken now. Get a big large size frying pan and heat it up over medium heat. Put few drops of vegetable oil, not too much. When the frying pan is preheated, place the chicken on the frying pan. Do you hear the sound? Oh my gosh. You can do it on a barbecue. Try not to flip it over like 100 times. Just wait until you see the chickens become white from the bottom, maybe halfway up. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes. And now I'm going to flip it over. Ooh, look at that. Looks amazing. And get a brush and the sauce, and you're gonna brush the sauce on top of the chicken. Turn it around to make sure they're evenly cooked on both sides. Alright, it's almost done. So turn off the heat. Then transfer them into a plate. Chicken's very tender and juicy and moisture. And the garlic and green onions are crunchy and refresh your mouth. Really good. Today I made a Dakkochi, which is Korean style chicken skewer with teriyaki sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you like this recipe today, show me by clicking the thumb button down below and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notification. I hope you guys have a great day and see you next time. Bye!